Hi students. Now let us see an example on linear search. This linear search is also known as a sequential search. Okay. So before explain this program, I explain you the theory. You understand clearly it. Then I show you the execution line by line. So what we will do in the searching process, we find out whether the particular element is going to be available inside my existing list or not. Element, or simply what we call it as a key, okay, among the given values. So whatever we do the searching operations, like in our systems, when we are searching a particular file or folder in my computer, or we are searching the information in the like search engines, etc. Okay, so this is the simplest technique, a linear searching. Sorry, this is not sorting. Okay, so this linear searching is also known as a sequential search. Why we are calling sequential search? Because it search the element one by one from the beginning onwards till it reach the end. And in the worst case, the time complexity for this one is the big O of n, because the element may be at the last position. Okay, and if it is the best case, the time complexity is big O of 1, because the element may found at the first location itself. And in the average case, it's a big O of n, and as well as in the worst case, it is big O of n only. Okay, what it does, it compares each element with the key from the 0th location of the list. Let's take an example here. Another elements like this. So this is my input. Inside this, I would like to check whether this element is there or not. So this is my key. So what I do is, I compare the first element and my key. So both are not matching. Then what we need to do, you go to the next position, 48. Now you compare this 48 and the 15, not matching. Go to the next one. Okay, so 7 and here 15 is compared, not matching. Then again move to next one. 15, 4 is compared, not matching. Go to the next one. 15, 15, now it is matching. So I say display that the 15 element is found at the particular location in the given list of the elements. Okay, so like this I perform the linear search operation. So let's see this the same thing with the help of a program. So I am taking an array x of 10 to store the 10 elements. So I am storing the some number of the elements here inside the x. Then after that I am reading the key here. Okay, then up to from 0 to less than 10. So less than or equal to from the 0th locations to the, so we do less than and I less than and up to all elements from the 0th location to, you compare one by one value. So when this key is matching with my given element, then I display the element is found at the particular location. So let us assume I store the values like inside the x, just 3 values, 0, 1, 2. Say the my x, I store values like here 10, 20, 30. Let us assume my key is the 30. Okay, then I equal to 0. So when I equal to 0, 0 is less than number of the elements, let us assume n equal to 3. I less than 0 less than 3, condition true. Then x of I is how much? The value 10. 10 is compared with the 30, doesn't match it. Whenever it doesn't match it doesn't display this information. What happens? This is the if start if close, it goes to again I plus plus. Nothing but I value become 1. So comes to here x of 1, nothing but 20. So 2 less than, sorry, 1 here. 1 is less than 3, condition is the true. So 20 equal to 30, this condition also fails, it doesn't execute this statements, then I value become the here 2. 2 less than 3, condition is the true. At the second location I have the value 30. 30 is matching with the 30, then displays the information. Element is found at the location percentage d, comma, element is the 30, location is I plus 1, I'm writing 2 plus 1 means at the third location if I consider the location just 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that for exit it terminates the my loop here. And after that, if it is unable to find for all the elements, for example if the 40 is there, so 40 doesn't matches with my key values, then finally display the information that percentage d is not found. Okay, so let's see here, run it. Enter how many elements I want to 3, enter 3 elements like 10, 20, 30. I would like to search for the 30, then 30 element is found at the location 3. Let's execute the same code again. 3, I enter the 10, 20, 30, but I would like to search the 5. 5 is not found. Okay, because not finding the element from the beginning to the last location, so it's displaying the message that 5 is not found. So this is how to perform the operation for the linear search.